Go ahead. Want to flip the burgers? You watch that flame over there, okay? And watch your hand. Don't touch the frying pan. Clever girl. It's away. Hey, you be flipping burgers in Burger King before you know it, love. Huh?
Daddy, I'm actually doing it. I do it like this. Dad. Go like that with it and put it underneath it. I have to shake it like this, put it underneath and shake it. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Flipping burgers in McDonald's, Alexa. I'll have a Big Mac.
Right.
Yeah.
No cheese.
No cheese.
Nothing.
Big Mac, nothing.
Dad, how would...
I want onions, though.
Okay.
And red sauce.
Dad,
Yeah.
I need help. It's flames keep coming in.
Yeah, but don't blow the fire when you're doing that, right? Well, look, just do that one, look.
Don't do that one on
Look,
there.
all you got to do is
Do
look.
the one next.
Ready?
Big both of those.
Alright, now do that one. No, let's just do that one on the end there.
No, Alexa just did that one.
That one, but there.
No. Okay, I did the one next to do it.
Watch you don't touch the pan. Make sure your hand doesn't touch the pan.
Yeah. Go like this
Okay.
with your hand, shake it. Yeah.
Don't
Shake
touch,
your
watch
hand
your hand
up.
don't touch the pan. You got it, babes. Well
Shake
done.
it, shake it, then you go underneath.
Come Dad, just show you. Right, right. You'll do, yeah, you can do another one, okay?
My downstairs.
Rex, I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
You watch it don't do it yourself, okay?
It's because I haven't
Well
did
done.
them in ages.
Daddy will do that. Ready? Go on.
I think that's the worst one, Dad.
Yeah. Well, look, well done, Alexa. Whee!
I'm going to do the second one. I know what to do now.
You're McDonald's supervisor now.
I know what to do. I'm the McDonald's supervisor.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're going to be a pie supervisor, you are?
Dad, please.
Yeah? No, you ain't. You're going to use your brains, right?
Okay, yeah.
And do what Daddy didn't do. You make me loads of money.
McDonald's.
No, you're going to make loads of money, babe. Go on, do that one, Brayla. See? Go on.
And the butt pizza.
Ready? No, do that one, Brayla.
No, let's do the other. Let's just
That one needs doing. Do it again.
Yes.
Go on, don't be scared. Right? Daddy will hold that, look, right? Go on in. You got it. Yeah. The pressure's on.
Take it.
Oh, you should watch your hands, that's all right. Good girl. Ready? Back on. Back on the fire. Right, I'm going to get that one for you, because that one's out of my... Put in the middle, up, see? Because the flames are getting to them.
My eyes hurt when I do it, Dad. That's why.
Yeah. You got it. Wee. Well done, girls.
That's
You've got pat on the back. Hey, hey, hey. Wait till we start flipping steak.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got eggs in the morning, boiled eggs in the morning.
Yay!
Yeah. Alright. Boiled eggs, bacon, sausages, rolls, is it?
Can I try it on the bacon? I can flip bacon.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to put the bacon on there.
You're in charge of the sausages, you're in charge of the bacon, Alexa's in charge of the eggs.
Oh.
Right, Daddy's going to go back to sleep then.
Can I be in charge of the bacon?
Yeah.
Dad, yes,
Yeah. But anyway, right, when you're around the fire, right, girls, right, yeah? Remember, right, you got to respect the fire like you respect water. You can drown in water, yeah?
Yeah.
You got to be careful now. Well, fire, right, it can seriously hurt you, okay? Yeah? So don't take a fire for granted, yeah?
Oh,
Never.
Oh my